I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Dodge Durango if your key fob is inside. It's a common, frustrating situation, but there are simple solutions. First, always double-check all doors, including the rear liftgate, as one might simply be ajar. Sometimes, a quick walk around the vehicle can save you a lot of hassle. If all doors are securely locked, we'll explore other options to regain access. If your Durango is still locked, your key fob actually contains a hidden physical key. Press the release button on the fob to slide out this emergency key, then use it in the driver's door key cylinder to unlock the vehicle. If that's not an option, contacting roadside assistance is a reliable next step. They have specialized tools and expertise to open your vehicle without causing damage. Alternatively, a professional locksmith can also provide quick and safe entry. For those comfortable with a do-it-yourself approach, a straightened coat hanger can sometimes be used to hook the door lock or handle from inside. Another method involves carefully using a wedge to create a small gap in the door frame, then inserting a long-reach tool to press the unlock button or pull the handle. However, be very cautious, as these methods can potentially scratch paint, bend the door frame, or damage electrical components. To prevent future lockouts, always make it a habit to carry your physical spare key or store it in a secure, easily accessible place outside your vehicle. Many modern Dodge Durangos also offer remote unlocking through the official Dodge or Uconnect app, which can be a lifesaver. Make sure your key fob battery is fresh to avoid issues. And for a cleaner home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals. Taking these simple steps can save you time and stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.